जय श्री राम दोस्तों। तो कैसा चल रहा है आपका तैयारी? बताइएगा कमेंट सेक्शन में। और आज पीएम पे लाइव मॉक चल रहा है, जो कि कल 10 बजे तक रहेगा, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं प्रैक्टिस मॉक पे। तो आरआरबी असिस्टेंट का है, तो आप लोग भी दीजिएगा और बताइएगा कि कैसा आ रहा है आप लोग का। हाँ, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं और देते हैं मॉक। सर्दी हो गया थोड़ा, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं और टेलीग्राम ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा मॉक साथ में देने के लिए। ये असिस्टेंट का पीओ का नहीं चल रहा सर। फिर भी देते हैं, देखते हैं इसको भी। देखते हैं कैसा जाता है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। 10 people live on a 10th floor building whose ground floor is 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I live on a topmost floor. I live on a topmost floor. 4 people live between G and B. 1, 2, 3, 4. G and B. C live immediately above B. C live immediately above B. Only one per only one person lives between I and H. I and H. B live below G. B live below G. अगर G को यहाँ रखेंगे तो 4 people live between B and G. 1, 2, 3, 4. B 1, 2, 3, 4. B C. अगर G को यहाँ रखेंगे तो 1, 2, 3, 4. B C. B live below G. A live above H. A live above H. ये गया. 2 person live between J and F. J and F. J and F का बीच में 2 है. E live immediately below F. E live immediately below F. 2 people live between J and F. ठीक है. E live immediately below F. ठीक है. D live on an odd number floor. D live on an odd number floor. D यहाँ हो सकता है, यहाँ हो सकता है. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. ये शायद ऐसे होगा. I 1, 2, 1 H. फिर यहाँ छोड़ के G. फिर 4 छोड़ के B C. B C. और यहाँ H है ना. A live above H. A यहाँ पे. 1, 2. हाँ. फिर J. 1, 2. F E. और यहाँ D. Who among the following live on third floor? थर्ड फ्लोर पे कौन है? E. Who live immediately above G? Immediately above GJ. How many person live between A and C? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of people living above D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is same as below G. Who among the following live on ground floor? Ground floor पे B है. In a certain code, which of the following code is good? Good, good, good. The application is. The application is. तो ए आर आर नहीं है, नार नहीं है, यार नहीं है. ओ ए आर आर नहीं है. नार है, यार नहीं है, का नार. What can be possible but for that feature? That तो है ही नहीं फीचर का. On the the go 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 go. Feature. That feature or that good to बाप रे बाप. Get. कार पार. फीचर में पार है. हाँ. और कहीं पार है तो पार नहीं होगा. फ्लावर और which of the following code is as MR? Mar. MAR. Get. गेट है. रजिस्टर नहीं है. ऑन है. एप्लीकेशन है. रजिस्टर. फीचर फीचर. ऑन है. द है. गो है. गो नहीं. कैनॉट बी डिटरमाइंड. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कोड आर सार. 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 द को फीचर. द held on different dates 6th of January in the same year. कितना 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In January same year. Only one exam is held after Y. Only one exam is held after Y. W is held 3 day after Z. W is held 3 day after Z. W is held 3 day after Z. ठीक है. Z which is not held on 6th. Two exams were held between W and V. W and V. X is held immediately after S. X is held immediately after S. T is held after U. T is held after U. U which is not held on 9th. U. तो अगर Z को यहाँ रखेंगे तो यहाँ 3 दिन छोड़ के Z यहाँ नहीं आ सकता. 7 पे 3 10 नहीं. 8 पे 3 Z यहाँ आ जाएगा. 3 छोड़ के W. 3 छोड़ के W. W और V में 2 जन है. एक तो टू एग्जाम were held between W and V. एक तो W and V. एक तो W and V. ये हो गया. ये हो गया. S X U T. ये कर ला. Dash are held before you. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5. X is held on 8th. Dash is held immediately after X but not consecutive. Dash is held immediately after but not consecutively. Y is held immediately after. V is X as Ty. Four exams were held between T and 1, 2, 3, 4 S. Dash is held on 7th S. 7 person belong to a family of 3 generations. No single person in the family is parent. O's mother O's mother is mother-in-law of S. O's mother is mother-in-law of S. O is unmarried. R son is father R son is father of Q. R का जो सन है वो फादर है Q का. R sons is father of Q. M sister is only granddaughter of P. M sister is only granddaughter of P. P has only one son. Oh, gender of P and Q is same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. M M N dash is father of Q. N. How is O related to M? O related to M. Parental aunt. अरे बाप रे 2 नंबर का था. ठग दिया मेरे को 2 नंबर देके लगता. 8 person are sitting around a square table. 4 person are sitting middle of each side while 4 sits on the corner. Person sitting at the corner face the center. कॉर्नर वाला सेंटर. 2 person are no 2 person name starting consecutive alphabet.
काहे ने कपड़वा पहिरेले रे?
No 2 person name. C sit adjacent to H. A and G are immediate right of each other. A face toward the center. A and G sits immediate right of each other. C sits adjacent to H. H face toward the center. B sits second to the left of G. A and G अगर G को यहाँ रखेंगे तो इसका इमीडिएट राइट तो यहाँ आएगा A. इमीडिएट राइट लेफ्ट आना पड़ेगा तो A. ठीक है. A and G are immediate right to each other. B sits second to the left of G. 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 ठीक है. E and D face in same direction. E or D face in same direction. A, B, यहाँ C नहीं आ सकता, यहाँ C नहीं आ सकता। अगर यहाँ H रखेंगे और यहाँ C रखेंगे, C sits adjacent to H, E and D facing same direction. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H। हो गया क्या? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H। हो गया। Who among the following sits opposite to G? F. How many person sits between H and B when counted from left of H? H and B when counted from left. H and B when counted from left of H. कहीं से भी count कर तीन ही बैठेगा. Find the odd word out. C, F, G, C, F, G, B, H. C ही होगा. Odd one out. Who sits second to the right of? Who sits second to the right of F? Who sits second to the right of F? Right of F. P. Who among the following face same direction as F? B. Who among the following faces in same direction as F? B, G, H. A greater than L. A, C, D, T, E, F. ठीक है. C greater than K. हो जाएगा both. S greater than X. X, T. R greater than B. R, T. S greater than X. Neither now. A greater than T. A, Q, C. A, Q, C. Q greater than T. ठीक है. O greater than E. O, N. नहीं. O greater than E. Only one. J greater than L. J, B, C, D, D greater than L. J is equal to a certain number of people are sitting in a row facing south, not more than 16%, no more than 17% sitting in the row. Four people sitting between R and B. Four people sits between R and B, but R sits to the left of B. Four people sits between R and B. R sits to the right of B. एक दो तीन चार. Four people sits between B and R, but R sits to the right of B. एक दो तीन चार. ठीक है। P sits eighth to the right of S. एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात। एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात। V sits eight to the right of S. Five people sits between C and Y. Five people. Five people sit between C and Y. Y who is not an immediate neighbor of R. X sits second to the right. X sits second to the right of S. X sits second to the left of S. Five people sits between R and D. Five people sits between R and D. एक दो तीन चार पाँच 1 2 3 4 5 5 people sits between R and D. D who does not sit in an extreme end. D and C are immediate neighbor of each other. S does not sit in an extreme end. एक दो तीन चार पाँच 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 Y 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. How many people? 17. Who is third to the right of S? Third to the right of S. T. Third to the left of S. R. Who among the following sits at the left end of the room? P. If another person G sits second to the right of V, then how many persons sits between G and D? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. V and C are immediate neighbor. R sits second to the left of us. Y sits third to the C sits fourth to the right of X. How many consonants are there which are immediately followed by a symbol? Symbol के बाद consonant. How many consonants are there which are immediately followed by a symbol? Oh, consonant के बाद symbol. Symbol का पीछे consonant. एक, दो, तीन, चार. Is fifth. If we interchange 15 and 13th element, time taken. How many number are there which are immediately preceded by a symbol? How many number are there which are immediately preceded by a symbol and immediately followed by a letter? Symbol number letter. Symbol number letter एक. Symbol number. Symbol number. Symbol number. Symbol number letter दो. तीन. What is the sum of number which are immediately followed by a consonant? What is the sum of number which are immediately followed by a consonant? नंबर का बाद consonant. एक. आठ. चौ. आठ. चार 12. 21. If we drop all the symbols from the given cities, then how many consonants are there between the third letter from the right hand? A and B enter into a partnership with an initial investment of 4 is to 5. A and B enter into partnership, and the sum of time which they made the investment is 12 is to 7. If the total profit earn is कितना हो गया वो इंटू होगा ना तो कितना 35 और ये 48 4 5 and the ratio of investment they made is 12 is to इतना find the profit share of A 6640 by 53 83 into 48 तो प्राइम नंबर आ गया पता नहीं क्या फाइंड द नंबर फैक्टर ऑफ a certain sum of money invested at 12% simple interest amounts to इतना at the end of 4 year 48% 3700 by 148%. Find the interest earned if the same sum is invested at 20% divided by इतना into 140 70 74 दो बार में 50 ओ 2800 700 अरे यार ये 7 का वैल्यू है 500 2500 1000 in an exam Rita got 30% marks and failed by 14 while Rita got itna marks and 24% is equal to 96 1 is equal to 4 then find the maximum when 20% of the mixture of milk and water is taken out replace the same quantity of water then the ratio of milk to water become itna find the ratio of milk and water initially 12 by 13 25 20% कितना होगा pipe A alone takes 20 hours to fill a tank while pipe B it takes 12 hours to fill a tank 60 5 3 pipe C is 50% more efficient than B 7.5 find the time taken by pipe B and C together 60 into 2 by 25 12 20 का 60, तो 5, 2 3, 12 इंटू 2/5। क्वेश्चन ही गलत लग रहा। क्वेश्चन ही गलत लग रहा आजकल मेरे को, हाथ दे हम भी। द इनकम ऑफ ए इज 20% लेस देन बी। ए बी income of A is 20% less than B. 4 5. The expenditure of A and B is 8,000 and 10,000. Find the ratio. Cannot be determined. The present age of son is 50% less than father. Son, father. 4 1. 12 year hence from now plus 12 year. The age of father will be 150% more than the age of son. 2 4 5. Find the present age of father. एक का वैल्यू 48. Pipe alone can fill a tank in 25 hours. Pipe A alone can fill a tank in pipe B alone can empty the tank in 30. They were operated on alternate hour with pipe A. Find the percentage of tank filled in 90 hours. 90 कितना होगा? 45, 30%. The ratio of number of female to male who participated in spot trial is female to male is 12:5. 45% of these 45, 60, 54 selected. If the number of female who got not selected is 165, one 65 by 66, then find the number of male who participated into 50. 2 2 5 5 2 5 25 200 125 400 माइनस 5 1 7 माइनस 117 509 408 बाई 8 51 100 180 640 740 बाई इंटू 8 0 32 का 2 3 हाथ में 56 59 5 9 20 16 into 16 3 2 5 6 ओ ओ नहीं 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 240 256 ही तो हुआ इंटू 170 इज इक्वल टू x/100 इंटू 4000। तो 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 बार में, तो कितना बार में जाएगा? 6 4 64 इंटू 17, 17 17 34 68 का 8 6 7 में 45 1728 प्लस 45 28 45 इस ये 5, और ये कितना बार में जाएगा? एक बार में, तो हो जाएगा 82 82 9 2 197। 700%, 750%, 750/100, 360/100 इंटू 750, 150 150 450 का 0, 45 हाथ में, 225 30 70 270, 2700 माइनस डैश 1650/50, 55 ओ 35 और 33। क्या कर रहे हैं भाई, हद है हम भी। 2000/25, 80 80 80 77 इंटू 4, 28 का 8 2 हाथ में, 30 80 388, 36 इंटू 24/12, एक ही बात है, 272 प्लस 25 इंटू 18 500 450 450/10 10 72 82, 24 इंटू 24/16 इंटू 25, 2 3 12 36, 36 इंटू 25 72, 72 900, 900 प्लस 320 1220, ये क्या है? 484 इंटू 196 22 इंटू 14, 14 14 कट जाएगा तो 22 माइनस 4 18 11, 9 के स्क्वायर में माइनस करेंगे तो 5 5 प्लस, ओह ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो 9 ही बचा। तो 9 में 4 डिवाइड करेंगे तो 4, 9 में 4 करेंगे तो 5 5, 30% ऑफ 800, 240 240 15, 165 माइनस का कितना है? 4 5 9, 9 जाएगा तो 232, बाई 29। 7 पर में लग रहा है मेरे को जाएगा। नहीं तो 8 बार में शायद। 8 बार में 16 × 3 / 6 × 5 2 8 8 5 40। 40 प्लस 40 माइनस 5 35। Speed of boat in downstream is 100% more than upstream. 4 2 3। Speed of boat in downstream is 100 if the boat can travel इतना किलोमीटर upstream in 11 hours 20 2 का 20 then find the time taken by boat to cover इतना किलोमीटर in still water 30 4। Perimeter of a circle is pi r 2 into 22 7 pi r 2 pi r into 130 सिलेंडर वेलेंडर आ गया इसमें तो। Find the average number of Puma shoe available in outlet P and T. Total number of shoe available. Total number of Puma shoe available. P and T 420। P और T 460 440। Number of Nike shoe available in outlet are 920 440 480 is how much more or less than that in T 780 460 0 to 320 50%। Find the ratio of number of Puma shoe available in outlet are Puma shoe available in outlet are 440 to the number of Nike shoe available in outlet as 340 860 520 11 13। If 50% total number of shoe in P are sold and the ratio of number, find the difference between total number of shoe available in R and the number of shoe available in outlet. Find the difference between total number of shoe available in outlet R 920 and the number of Puma shoe available in Q 380। 120 420 540। माइनस 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 6 6 57 19 इंटू 6 19 6 ग्रेटर देन इज इक्वल टू वाई 324 एक्स इज इक्वल टू 18। 190, 248, 12, प्लस 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 माइनस, 8, 5, 4। इतना कम क्यों आया है बे? ज्यादा ही गलत कर दिए शायद हम। प्रैक्टिस ना करने का नतीजा। थोड़ा ज्यादा ही गंदा आ गया। तो चलिए, आप लोग भी दीजिए और बताइएगा आप लोग कितना है। मेरा तो आजकल बहुत गंदा आ रहा है मॉक सब में। चलिए, आप लोग भी बताइए आप लोग कैसा आ रहा है। चलिए बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट मॉक में। और मॉक की वजह जरूर दीजिएगा।